Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We had a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm gonna make some breaded boneless chicken wings. Say hi to my little Chihuahua Mookie in the corner there. Hi, baby. First up, we're gonna make a drink. I'm gonna make a Watermelon Daiquiri. So I got my cocktail shaker. Add a little bit of ice. And we'll go 1 ounce of white rum, an ounce of Cointreau, and then I'm going to do the juice of a half fresh lime, and then to make it a watermelon daiquiri, I got some Blackstone watermelon liqueur. Give that a shake. And I got a nice daiquiri glass. If you want to get fancy, you could get some watermelon powdered Kool-Aid and sugar the rim with it. But I just have a fresh watermelon wedge as a garnish. And that's my watermelon daiquiri. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, I'm gonna do my boneless breaded chicken wings. So I got some chicken thighs. Spoiler alert, I'm just gonna cut the chicken thighs in half and form them so they look like a winglet. So I'm gonna take, after it's breaded, I'm just gonna fold it over. And it's going to look just like a winglet, and then I'm going to chuck them in the air fryer. Okay, really quickly. So I got my breadcrumbs, flour, egg and milk mixture. Gonna add a little, season the flour. I got some garlic salt, put a little garlic salt on the chicken as well. All right, here we go. So the month of Feb, flour, egg, bread, Feb. See, that looks like a little winglet. Alrighty, so I'm gonna get the hot air fryer set up. I might give it a little spray of Pam or some kind of oil, and we'll see how that turns out. Alright, I'm just gonna try to form my chicken thighs so they look like winglets. Some are bigger than others. Alright, give it another hit of garlic salt and a spritz of Pam just to help it crisp up, brown up a bit. Alright. Into the hot air fryer it goes. I'll put in the description how long it took. We'll let's go. Oop. Temperature. Okay, we'll start out at around 400 for 10 minutes, but I will put in the description how long it took me. Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my boneless breaded chicken wings that I did in the air fryer, and we're just gonna make a beverage to go with that. This is called a Foggy Afternoon. I'm just gonna build it over crushed ice in my tiki mug. So we got 1 ounce of vodka, a ½ ounce of apricot brandy, a ½ ounce of triple sec. I'm just substituting Cointreau today. And a ½ ounce of banana liqueur. And then I'm gonna do the juice from a full lemon today. And I got a nice garnish. And that, my friends, is a foggy afternoon to go with my boneless fried chicken wings. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit the notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.